So I put the whole thing together. I didn't put all the connector screws in for here, but that's like an extra 1 minute. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Get rid of this crap. So this is what it looks like. So what you would do is you'd put your sandbags or your cement blocks or whatever you want on these, right? So that way if you're doing a muscle up on your bar here, the whole thing doesn't go and flip that way, right? So you know, you just secure it and that's all you do, right? You just put a couple bags on it, no problem. So you got a specific type of pull-up bar that I always recommend. You can do close grip, right? You can do far grip, whatever else on it, right? But this is basically, excuse the toys in the background, it's kind of messy, but this is what it basically looks like when it's done. I thought it's pretty fly, you know. I like the X's, I think they give it a nice look. This is where you do your muscle ups, this bar here. Do different variations, your curl ups, hanging upside down, you can do it on this bar. And you know, you got all this space in between to you know, use these bars up here and stuff for your other variations. Yeah, it's very well put together. These are to make it extra secure, these ones I put in. You know, the welds look great on this one. A lot more thorough. Right? So again, keep in mind, you know, I didn't put these screws through. There's some there, there's one there. But even though that one bolt was bent, it still slides in beautiful. Like there's no issue with it at all. It's as if it wasn't even bent. Just works with the metal because I messed up the hole, that's all. But everything else is clean. Right? Very clean. Very clean. Very nicely painted. A few coats. Nice and shiny. Of course, it probably won't stay like that once you get in there and start putting in that work, you know. It's gonna get pretty scratched up and whatnot, but you'd never have to buy another one. You buy it one time and you're all set. You work out for life. You stay in shape for life. As long as you put in the dedication, one time per day, at least. Take some cheat days too, of course, but so yeah, this is the finished product, guys. This is what you would get. Excuse the piece of wood. By the way, you need one of those to take it apart. So just a 2x4, right? It's very nice, very clean. I'm telling you guys, nothing out there like this. This is the Calisthenic Bowflex Gym. It's called the Barbies Workout Station. Built by yours truly. Alright guys, so enough looking at the workout station. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's together. And it took me 5 minutes to put it together. No tools. You don't need any knowledge. You don't even need a book. I could give you a book, but show you how to put it together. But I mean, if you pass kindergarten, you can put this together. All you're doing is lining up. You cannot forget how to put this together. You line that one up with that one, with that one. And for the bottoms, same thing. You guys see what I'm saying? The most simple Most well put together. Beautifully engineered. Alright guys, we will be back in a minute and I'll show you. There's a specific thing you have to do to take it apart though, but once you get it, it's no problem. Alright guys, we'll be right back.